I know it's like day 2 of me cleaning my room, but today was really weird. I went to work and my supervisor was like, all right, so right now it's cold. And he said some other things and was like, who doesn't want to be here right now? And me and others said restarting. And so genuinely, I was like, are you fucking serious? Like, he was like, yeah, I'm definitely serious. But I was like, okay, bet. So I clocked out. But so I've been home for like all day and I slept like all day. So I should have cleaned my room earlier, but I was so fucking tired. But we're gonna clean my room in a few. I just finished eating and I didn't want to like do all of that. But I want to talk a little bit about like what is daily SOP. It is my vlog chapter of my life. Hence why it's also named The Logistics of Living. And it's generally just like, you know, things of cleaning my room, keeping you up with life. I also wanted to add as well too, is pretty much to keep like a episode series going on with like, of course, when I'm on a cruise ship, hopefully time soon, but things like that. And then of course my study chapter, my study journey, you know, being that my major is supply chain and operation management, and so stuff of that nature as well too. Updates, no, I'm not leaving for Hawaii yet, unfortunately. Womp womp, right? And you know, just casual talk, you know. And so I am going to clean my room a little bit later just to have my food settled, and I'm not, you know, you know. And when I did get home, Snowflake was like, I'm like, he was confused because he just saw me leaving and I'm back home an hour later. I'm like, oh my God. But, yeah, I am, yeah. I mean, I don't have much to clean. I clean like the side of my bed, so like that's clean. But, as you saw from the last clip, but I still have to clean under my desk and in my closet area. And then I'm going to rebuild my clothing rack that's right here, because if you can't really tell, it is leaning a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. And I had Jamaican food for like dinner, so yeah. Other than that, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I will do the rest of what I have to do later. Girl is done. All right, the room is clean and it's trash picked up. That's how I want it to be, right? I was throwing away trash and there was like a whole family of deer, and I was trying to talk to them like, hi, I'm one with the animals, please don't hurt me. So yeah, I am done for tonight. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.